Okay, I got really excited about this and wanted to do a little bit of math. Love to get paid to do math. So what I wanted these like extrusion supports to show up at certain places, but I wanted them to show up on the skin. So I did the math, did the curvature, figured out if it was on an arc, at what angle would that be at, redrew it, came up with all the angles, and then started cutting. So I have a rotary table here, printed it out, had the angles, and my rotary table, I got it lined up. I had these marks, lined that up to a 0 point, re-zeroed my offset. It was a number of 66, so I added 66 and then subtracted 66 and then took 360 plus 66 and then minused these offsets. And I got these two perfectly sized discs, and hopefully they will line up directly with the skins of this. And what will happen is the skins will bolt on using these they're like cage nuts, I think they call them. In UK they call them cage nuts, or T-nuts, T-grip nuts. So they go in and then they lock in, and you can put them anywhere you want. So I took, I don't even know where the front is anymore. So this should line up almost like perfectly with those two lines, right? You see how I love math. And it will go directly between those two, and it will give me full support going all the way up. So I believe this is the front, right? And then these are now the legs. So I got two side legs here, and on one of them it was cut square. We have to change that, but cutting it pretty close here because there's a huge vent that goes here. I might as well give the legs some stability, so they're pretty tight up here. That may change. Anyway, the setup for this rotary table, they're pretty heavy, and it's something you don't want to do often. But I have a center. I lined it up to the center, did the DRO, center, found all my lines, lined it all up, lined up the two pieces because I cut these two separate, lined them up separately, and then put them on. So I'm going to drill these holes bigger. I'm going to transfer all the metalwork from my prototype mock-up to this, and then I'm going to start rebuilding the skins one-to-one for what they should actually be. Very fun.